So my name is Deirdre Hennessy. I'm a lecturer in sustainable agriculture at UCC. I grew up on a dairy farm and I always had an interest in agriculture, which led me to study agricultural science in UCD. All my research up to now would have been in the general area of grassland, particularly looking at white clover and nutrient use efficiency and fertilisers. So grass imaging is a new technology that we're investigating in VistaMilk. And we have some very interesting work done on this. And I suppose the idea came about, how do you know what you have on your farm? And there's a saying that, people use now, and it's really true. If you can't manage what you can't measure, so you need a measurement of what's on your farm. So we can look at grass in different ways. We have yield of grass, that's how much is available for the cow to eat or for silage or so on. But there's also what's in the grass, is it grass, is it clover, is there a lot of weeds, is there herbs, that kind of thing. But then there's the aspect of quality. So these are all things that are very valuable information for the farmer. So this image analysis work is still very much at the research stage, but the results to date are incredibly promising and is giving us a lot of confidence to move forward. So there's a lot more work to do around, for example, the grass quality or the feed quality aspect, and probably looking at the seasonal variation in sward composition and sward yield. We need to do a good bit more work on the drone aspect because a lot of our work to date has been mobile phone or handheld camera. So it is a really exciting area of research, and I suppose we do need to build a little bit of capacity in the area in terms of human resources working on the area. And I suppose when we have another bit of work done then, it will be super to get some farmers involved in collecting information on their mobile phones and then using our machine learning models to predict what the yield is on their farms. And our good farmers can estimate through visual analysis how much grass they have on their farms very accurately. So those type of farmers, we'd really look forward to working with them, that they're capturing the image, but they're also recording their estimated yield, and we can see how well our models predict what that farmer knows he or she has on their farm. There are other benefits as well, because high quality grass can be converted into high quality milk. So there's a benefit for the consumer. If we can feed more grass or get more grass into our system, we can purchase less concentrate and feed less bought-in feed to the cows. So the farmer is again contributing to environmental sustainability by not purchasing in and importing and all of the, I suppose, environmental costs that go with importing feeds from other countries. Water quality is an issue, as we know, in Ireland at the moment. And everybody has a role to play in that. And new technologies that can, increase the amount of information we have in terms of grass availability and the quality of that grass and the species of plants that are in those swards can really help to address issues around water quality, particularly, because it will help to increase the precision of fertiliser application. So like bring precision nutrition to grassland. So a lot of people will be familiar with precision nutrition for tillage crops, but we don't really use precision technologies. We have big targets to meet in the coming years in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, and I think we're definitely going in the right direction towards achieving those. We have a lot of technologies that are available right now for farmers that they could implement today on their farms. Farmers are aware that they need to make changes. They appreciate the research that has been done because it's backing up, what's been said to them in terms of the effect of a technology. And they can see through the research that in Ireland, we definitely are focusing on technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. But right now, there are an awful lot of technologies available to our farmers. The more technologies that each farmer can implement, the bigger the impact of the industry overall.